Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. You're doing really great. Dig up a basin ditch. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Hooray! Hooray!